Hey guys, it's Draven Arts Productions, and today I just went to one of my friends at school's 18th birthday, and one of my friend's parents gave me something, gave me something in here. Gave me something. And that includes the All Engines Go push along items from All Engines Go, which are Gordon and James. I also literally got candy too. Anyway, let's take a look at Gordon and James for today's video. So here are both items. So Gordon's packaging looks pretty nice with that promo of Gordon. I will add that white footplate detail at some point. And then at the back is just usual. Anyways, and I'm getting him open now. And I'm opening him right now. And there we go. So Gordon looks pretty nice. Let's take a look at him. As you can see, he is pretty accurate to All Engines Go with the wheel configuration, the face, and every other aspect. And I do like the face. It looks pretty accurate. And the side and the other side and everything else looks pretty good. Even the bottom. Although the unpainted buffers may be a bit of a downturn to the item. But oh well. At the very least, Sharpie paint pens or paint would fix that issue. But overall, Gordon looks pretty good and pretty accurate. And for the tender, also pretty accurate. And they had the 4 wheels. And then again, no painted buffers. A detail which has to be fixed. So yeah. Here is All Engines Gordon compared to the original version of Gordon. And they are absolutely different. I mean, holy wow, guys. Holy wow. Look at Gordon's wheel configuration on the All Engines Go push along item. And now look at the configuration on there. What a difference it is. Even the faces. I'll give the All Engines Go version of Gordon a rant later. Now we move on to James. And just like Gordon, there's his promo. And it looks pretty nice. And for the back, it's just line assessing info and usual stuff. And now I'm getting him open. And out he comes. Just like that. So, let's take a look at him. So, the front of James looks pretty good and a nice accurate face. And the buffers, a pretty nice amount of detail, which is a good thing. And the side looks also pretty accurate to the show. And the black lining of the arches and all, they look fine. But to me, it almost looks like it's about to rub off. And for the cab, it's pretty hollow, which it is pretty amazing. We'd never seen that since, I believe, Take and Play. And then on the other side is exactly the same, and then you got the nice dome, and then nice wheel configuration. And the wheel is is there, but not detailed. But oh well, I could fix that issue later. And yeah, looks pretty nice. Same for the tender itself. And for the wheels, I don't mind the wheels being gray, of course. I don't mind the wheels being gray. I think they look pretty fine. The same thing can be said for, like, say, the Bachman version or the take-along version of James. You guys remember those? Here is AEG James to my original James, and absolute differences of length and configurations. I mean, James literally has 3 driving wheels and he has 2 leading wheels. And this James has 3 wheels and does not have the leading wheel. There are also differences of the whistles here, the tenders, and even the wheels. So, yeah. Alrighty, what do I think of the All Engines Go versions of Gordon and James? They look pretty nice and pretty accurate to the show. Even though I'm not a big fan of All Engines Go, but the toys themselves look pretty good and pretty accurate. It's really nice for me to have some All Engines Go merch just right after Muddy Thomas and Sandy. So it's great to see that I'm getting some merchandise of All Engines Go. Just for opinion's sake and some other aspects of detailing and differences compared to this and the originals. So yeah, so instead of giving each of them, I'm just gonna rate them separately. So I'm gonna give James like a 9 out of 10. He does look pretty good, but the lining could have been a teeny bit better. And for Gordon, I rate him like a 6 out of 10. He is pretty accurate, but the detailing could have had a bit of execution, like the buffers. And possibly the red, and possibly putting white on the foot plate. But oh well, I could easily do that detail. Anyways, so I'll go ahead and couple up on the original motorized items. And we're gonna do that in 3, 2, 1, go. Gordon, watch out! Great, Giz! My poor paintwork! That disappointed how you do. And that's it for this little run on the All Engines Go, Gordon, and James. I hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to, and let me know your thoughts on these two. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is Draven Arts Productions, signing off.